All of us know that pure water is a poor conductor of electricity. In water, two water molecules react to give hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion. This is called as self-ionization of water. Here we can see number of hydronium ions is equal to number of hydroxyl ions. So, pure water is neutral in nature. At 25 degrees Celsius, if we experimentally find 1 liter of water contains 10 to the power of minus 7 moles of hydronium ions and 10 to the power of minus 7 moles of hydroxyl ions. Since we are having such a lower concentration of ions in water, it is a poor conductor of electricity. When we add acid like HCl into water, we are adding common ion H+. So, after the addition of acid, solution will have more of a hydronium ion than hydroxyl ion. In the same manner, when we add base like sodium hydroxide into water, we are adding the common ion hydroxyl ion. So, after the addition of base, solution will have more of hydroxyl ions than hydronium ions. What we need to understand with this is both acidic and basic solution contains both hydronium and hydroxyl ions in it. Acidic solution means concentration of H plus is greater than concentration of OH minus. Basic solution means concentration of H plus is less than concentration of OH minus. Neutral solution means concentration of H plus and OH minus are equal. To measure the concentration of H plus ions in any of these solutions, we have something called pH scale. P over here stands for potens. This is a German word meaning power or potential. pH scale indicates power of hydrogen ion concentration in the solution. Mathematically, pH equal to minus log of H plus to the base 10. Here H plus stands for concentration of H plus in mole per dm cube or mole per liter or simply molarity. If the concentration of H plus is 1 mole per dm cube, then pH will be equal to 0. If the concentration of H plus is 10 to the power of minus 1 mole per dm cube, then pH is 1. If the concentration is 10 to the power of minus 7, then pH is 7. If it is 10 to the power of minus 10, then it is 10. 10 to the power of minus 14 means it is 14. So, pH scale speaks about the concentration of H plus ions in acidic and basic solution. Theoretically, we can have pH of any value, but considering the practical significance, we generally go for a pH scale varying from 0 to 14. pH less than 7 means acidic solution, pH equal to 7 means neutral solution, pH greater than 7 indicates basic solution. Acidic means number of H plus is greater than number of OH minus in the solution. Neutral means number of H plus and OH minus are equal. Basic means number of H plus is lesser than number of OH minus. Lesser the pH, stronger will be the acid. So, pH equal to 0 indicates a stronger acid. As we keep going to the right, strength of the acid decreases. pH equal to 6 indicates a weak acid. 7 means neutral. pH equal to 8 means it is a weak base. As we keep going, strength of the base increases. At 14, we are having a strong base. Strength of an acid is inversely proportional to pH. Lower the pH, stronger the acid. Higher the pH, weaker the acid. pH equal to 3 solution is a stronger acid than pH equal to 6 solution. Coming to the base, strength of a base is directly proportional to pH. Lower the pH, weaker the base. Higher the pH, stronger the base. pH equal to 10 solution is a stronger base than pH equal to 8 solution. pH of some common substances are listed over here. Kindly go through. N over here stands for normality, that is equal to molarity multiplied by N factor. N factor for an acid is basicity of an acid and N factor for a base is acidity of a base. Indicator is a substance that undergoes a distinct observable change when conditions in its solution change. This observable change may be a color change, or a smell change, or a precipitate formation. Usually, indicators are weak organic acids or weak organic bases which dissociate partially in the solution. Majorly, there are two types of indicators: acid-base indicators and universal indicator. Acid-base indicators indicate whether a solution is acidic or alkaline in nature, whereas universal indicator indicates how acidic or how alkaline that solution is. Acid-base indicators cannot indicate the pH of a solution, whereas universal indicator can give us the approximate pH of a solution. Acid-base indicators cannot differentiate two acids or two alkalis. Example, if we take two solutions of pH 3 and 5, both of them are indicated in the same manner by acid-base indicator. Coming to the universal indicator, this is capable of differentiating two acids or two alkalis. Universal indicator will give different color code for a acid whose pH is 3, and it will give another color code for a acid whose pH is 5. Examples under acid-base indicators: litmus paper or litmus solution, methyl orange indicator, phenolphthalein indicator, etc. Coming to the universal indicator, it is a mixture of many indicators, so it can change its color for different pH value. When we embed this universal indicator on a paper, what we get is a pH paper. Color code of few acid-base indicators. Litmus solution is red in acidic solution, blue in basic or alkaline solution, becomes purple in neutral solution. Phenolphthalein is colorless in acidic and neutral medium, becomes pink in basic medium. Methyl orange is pink in acidic solution, becomes yellow in basic solution, and orange in neutral solution. You can have a look into the color code associated with the universal indicator and pH paper.